All right, what's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? All right, so welcome back. It's another day. It's another dollar. It's another morning. You know, we're here. We're live. All right, so today I'm gonna show you how to. You already know how to do a push-up, but yeah, essentially a push-up. Um, but what I'm gonna mostly focus on with the push-up is how to better your push-up, how to get stronger at your push-up. And after you get better at your push-up, after you get stronger at your push-up, how to improve your strength using the push-up. So as a beginner, you don't have to, as a beginner, my advice is always to start working on your body weight, master your body weight in a way, like not entirety, but like you start with your body weight. And that's why I always recommend yoga, because you want to get back into your body. This mind muscle connection is very important to your process, to your goals. And so it's crucial that you are in tune with your body before you start adding complicated things to your routine. So I always recommend people start off with yoga so that they can develop that self of awareness with their mind body connection. All right. Now, let me set myself a timer. So, so yeah, start off with yoga so you can increase your body's awareness of that mind-body connection, because that's essential. That's important going forward, because you can be doing a particular exercise that works the glutes, but while you're doing it, it's only working your hamstring. You're not aware of it because you you haven't really carry yourself through that movement with enough knowledge, carrying yourself with that movement from ground zero, where you're completely aware of what it's supposed to be doing. A lot of people say they go to the gym and they don't even know what they're doing. They'll see somebody doing an exercise and they don't even know where it's working. But when you get yourself into a yoga class and they're taking you through those slow movements for extended period of times, for a repetitive period of time, then over time you start to realize, this movement is working here. I felt it here last week, and now I'm also feeling here this week. So it's not just working my butt, but it's also working my calves and my hamstring. And over time, you start to have that knowledge in the back of your head. So when you go to lift weights and you should add weights to that particular movement that you were doing in yoga class, then you realize how effective it's going to be for your overall body's development, right? So, yeah, that's one of the main reasons why I recommend yoga to start with. Now, let's get into it. So, a push-up, right? So, I often cue you to have your hands directly under your shoulders, shoulder width apart, and right, shoulder width apart, under your shoulders. Damn, my hand feels like this today. Anyways, whew. Oh man, sore. Anyways, pop. Okay, feels better already. All right, so, and from here, keep the hips neutral. Is how I like to normally. And from here, you lead with the chest. Lead with the chest. The chest goes to the ground. Okay, chest to the ground. Push. All right. Chest to the ground. Push. I'm gonna go this direction. Shoulder distance apart, shoulders over arms, lead with the chest. Lead with the chest, push. Lead with the chest, push. You notice how pushing doesn't involve me driving my body up like that, with my hips going up first. You notice pushing doesn't involve me pushing my chest up with my lower body down and I'm coming up. Like I see a lot of people do. It's one motion. Down, up, down, up. My chest takes the lead in both direction, right? Now, if you're unable to do that, my next cue is for you to go on your knees, all right? You go on your knees, legs shoulder width apart, hands shoulder width apart, chest over, yeah, just like the regular. It's just like you're on your knees, but your knees are back, not here, okay? Your knees are like this is like a 45-degree angle. And from here, chest first. Embrace your core, keep your core brace contracted. Chest first, push up. Chest first, push up. Chest first, push up. Okay, let's do it from, just give it a front view. Here, chest first, chest first, chest first, chest first, chest first, chest first, chest first. Okay, let's give you a rear view. All right. That's the basic modification, basic level that you can essentially go to. All right. Now, moving on, believe it or not, even that the basic model is hard for a lot of people. So what you do, you grab a board, yeah? Go back to your knees and push from the board. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah? Same setup, same setup. The only thing changes is that you're adding the board, yeah? So this is apart, right away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And even if this is too hard, you raise the board. Raise the board. Same setup, same motion. Less distance to travel. 3, 4, 5, 6. Still too hard? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Still too hard? Raise the board. You get the drift. Now, you get to this point, and also this same approach. Say for example, you master the knees on the ground, right? If you master the knee on the ground and you doing regulars is where you're at, but it's still challenging. Board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Still too hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Still too hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stack it up. Still too hard. Stack it up. Now, since I talked about how to be able to get better at your push-up. Excuse me. A few steps that you can take to